your body. This is the one body you'll have for the rest of your life. The rest of your life. Are you going to throw junk in it? Are you going to throw Big Macs in it every week? Are you going to throw soda in it? Are you going to throw lots of alcohol in it? And all these things that we know are bad for our health. We all know this. We know fast food is bad for our health. No one needs to tell us that. And me as a wellness coach, I don't need to tell you that. But what I do need to tell you is the importance of your body, the value of your body. You are priceless. Your body is priceless. And so when you realize that it's that, you're going to treat it the best way possible. And that's what I'm here to help you do. Taking care of your body. Your body, the immune system within your body, the function of the immune system, guess what it is? Your immune system is designed to fight for you. It's designed to protect you from viruses, bacteria, any threats to your body. Your immune system is designed to handle. But here's the problem. Your immune system can't come fighting for you if you haven't given it what it needs.